Yee!
She wants dad. What do you call your dad in Japan? Like, is it dada or
Papa?
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 Actually.
Just go for it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. It's a little stuck. Okay.
Okay, hold your plant.
Oh yeah. Two hands.
Okay, then mushi so
Okay. Now we have to.
Now we pluck.
Oh. Taste similar to edamame.
Okay.
Huge. Oh, come on this way, Nathan.
Oh wait.
We're following him. Right? This way? What's it like being a real farmer, man?
This is crazy.
Here?
Yeah.
And then use this Home Depot.
Yeah.
Pick it up. Yes, yes.
Nice work. You did pretty good.
Yes.
All right. Wheeling it over. Oh, thanks, Taka. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's a burn pile.
You actually enjoy your backyard while you're.
Yeah.
So actually, there's bar as well. Oh, there's a bar?
Yeah, no problem, no problem.
Greenhouse I'm using for cilantro.
Cilantro, wow, you can go cilantro here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So is it like romaine lettuce, the long one?
I used rocket
Okay.
and the mustard.
Oh, mustard green.
Yes.
Wow. Very nice.
And these are okra.
This is the okra.
Yes.
I didn't know okra is so tall. First time seeing the plant.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool.
What's up?
We have the fence because
Mhm.
the wild
Animal will eat,
So,
right? Do you have like wild pigs here?
No, boar and then,
Boar.
shika.
They have the horn, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's just starting to grow. I want some. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, great flavor.
Yeah,
Nice.
very good.
Mm-hmm. Organic cilantro. Yeah.
Yeah. Very good.
Some people don't like cilantro. I know.
Yeah. But this one's not very strong.
Yeah.
Like it's very, like it has a very delicate flavor.
Justification and actually, it's transfer because Singapore.
Huh? Really? Where? Doko. Where crocodile? Oh yeah, if you want to say crocodile, America, many crocodile. Yeah. I'm assuming since it rain a lot here, you'll have a lot of mosquito. So how do you protect? Spray? Do you burn the coil? Wear long sleeve? Yeah. Oh hey. Good dog. Wawa.
Even here, there's a vending machine.
Oh. Recycle? This look very old. Yamaha. Yeah. Golf cart yard. Incredible.
Yeah, liver, but just
Mhm. Is it big? You think it's pretty deep?
yes, very deep.
Very deep.
Dangerous.
Dangerous.
Danger.
Okay. Gotcha. Don't fall in. Yeah, this is harvested. If it's not harvested, it would be more water or.
Yes, more
Yeah.
water.
When you go in the rice, you have to like roll up the pants and like that, right? Yeah. Shiso leaves. Yeah. He had what was it? In Hakone, he had the I think shiso gyoza. He really liked it.
eat?
Yeah.
Yeah, they put it in
Yes, yes. The flavor is
Yeah,
yes.
it's like a
These are spinach.
Oh, it's finished.
These are shungiku.
Ah.
Wait, so those are spinach?
Yes, spinach. Shungiku.
And then
Amazing.
this one is
Shiso leaves. The perilla leaf, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's see the okra.
Where is the okra? Okra is that one.
Oh, I see it at the top.
Oh,
that one.
on the top.
Wow.
The flower
Yeah.
changed to the okras.
Oh, the flower
Yes.
changed the okra.
Have you eaten okra
Of course, all the time.
at the States?
Even in America. Yeah. That's a lot of yanomame. Well, I mean, kore.
What's it called?
Kurumame.
Kurama.
Kuromame.
How do you spell it? K
K-U-R-O-M-A.
R M E M A M.
Yeah, because kuro is black, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
kuro is black.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
they're at Suki and Austria. For breakfast, actually, very good. Good, good. Because it's.
We're not familiar with this.
Yeah, I enjoy actually.
You enjoy grilling?
Yakiniku.
Yakiniku master?
And also beef beef as well. Okay, you're the master. This is a beef.
Kobe beef.
Yeah, which is made from this area.
Wow. And then tongue of the beef. Yes.
Oh, beef
Beef
tongue.
tongue.
Oh, I love beef tongue. Yummy.
And then salt.
and salt and pepper.
And then not pepper. It's sansho.
Sansho. Okay. Yeah. I know
Sansho
sansho.
spice.
What's shansho?
It's a kind of Japanese spice. Okay.
Yes.
Top at this much?
Yes.
Okay.
And then he folded it up. And dip it.
Oh yeah. How's that? Let me help you.
Oh my god.
Yo,
What is
no
that?
way. This is huge.
Yo, were these wild?
I really like your kitchen. Was it all custom?
Oh yes. Here is before for the barn.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yeah,
so it's like
we
your
have
model.
the tractor before,
Mm-hmm.
but my mom for the renovation. to the
Yeah.
kitchen.
Yeah. Because all the concrete and everything
Yes.
is cool. She's gonna be a future farmer.
Yeah, you can shoot from
Do you eat it or no?
It's just like ryegrass vine, right? My family did more farming than Nathan's family. Yeah.
your dad is like this
Appa? It's I think right in Osaka it's like Ponsan, right? And then
Yes.
You got it on the wrist.
yeah, it's okay. Just casual. In America, I think we have the rabbits, squirrel, and the
Yes. I saw a lot of squirrels.
yeah.
I feel a lot.
They always eat the stuff. Yeah. This is a
It's healthy.
video camera though.
Video.
camera.